Question number 18. A solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end and a cone at the other end. Their common diameter is 3.5 centimeter and the height of the cylindrical and conical portion are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the volume of the solid. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Given diameter equal to 3.5 centimeter. So radius equal to 3.5 upon 2, that is equal to 1.75 meter. Radius is equal to 1.75 meter. 1.75. And height of cylinder is 10 centimeter and height of cone that is equal to 6 centimeter and height of cylinder that is equal to 10 centimeter. Volume of the solid that is equal to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. That is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube equal to pi r square is common and 1 upon 3 into height of cone that is 6 plus height of cylinder that is 10 plus 2 upon 3 into radius is 1.75. That is equal to pi is 3.14 into 1.75 raised to power 2 into 2 plus 10 plus 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14, 15, 2 1s are 2, 3 point divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 point, 3 1s are 3 point, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, that is approximate value 1.167. 3.14 into 1.75 into 1.75 into 10 plus 2 12 plus 1 13.167. 175 into 175, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 7 5s are 30, 5 37, 3 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8, 7 5s are 35, 7 7s are 49, 52, 52, 5 carry, 7 plus 5 12, 5 7 1, that is 5 2 15 16 10 3, that is 3.14 into, this will be 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 3.0625 into 13.167. 30625 into 3.14, 314. 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 4 3s are 12, 5 2 6 0 3, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 6 3s are 18, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 0 5 12, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 7 16, 3 plus 8 11, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6 9, that is equal to, point will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 9.61625 into 13.167. 96125 into 13167. 7 5s are 35, 3 7 2s are 14, 17 1 carry, 7 6 are 42, 43, 7 1s are 7 plus 4 11, 7 6 are 42 plus 1 43, 4 carry, 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 4 67, 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 15, 1 carry, 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37, 3 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9, 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 9s are 54 plus 3 57, 5, 2, 6, 1, 6, 9. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 6 3s are 18, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 6 3s are 18, 9 3s are 27, plus 1 is equal to 28. 5, 2, 6, 1, 6, 9. 5, 7, 13, 2 plus 7, 9, plus 2, 11, 16, 1. 4 plus 9, 13, plus 6, 19, plus 7, 19 plus 7 is equal to 26, plus 5, 31, 3, 10, 16, 17, 25, 27, 2, 8 plus 7, 15, plus 6, 21, 31, 3, 8 plus 9, 17, plus 8, 25 plus 1, 26, 2, 10, 16, 9 plus 2, 11, 12. In decimal, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is equal to 126.617 meter cube. Answer. Given diameter is 3.5 centimeter and its radius is half of diameter, that is 1.75 meter, and volume of solid, that is equal to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. 1 upon 3 into pi r square h plus pi r square h plus 2 upon 3 pi r cube, that is equal to pi r square 1 by 3 into 6 plus 10 plus 2 upon 3 into 1.75. That is 3.14 into 1.75 square is taking common, in bracket 2 plus 10 plus 1.167, that is equal to 10 plus 2 12 plus 1 13.167, and 1.75 into 1.75, that is 3.0625. Multiply by 3.14, then we get 9.61625, and 9.61625 into 13.167, so we get 126.617 approx. 126.617 meter cube. Answer. Question number 19. A toy is in the shape of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere on one end and a cone on the other. The height and radius of the cylindrical part are 13 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. The radii of the hemispherical and conical part are in the same as that of the cylindrical part. Calculate the surface area of the toy if the height of the conical part is 12 centimeter. Given height of cylinder is equal to height of cylinder is 13 centimeter and radius of cylinder is equal to 5 centimeter. Radius of cone is equal to 5 centimeter and radius of hemisphere is same as radius of cylinder, that is 5 centimeter. Height of cone equal to 12 centimeter. Calculate the surface area of toy. Surface area of toy is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. First we find L square is equal to R square plus H square. First of all we find the slant height of cone, that is root R square plus H square. L is equal to radius is 5 square plus height is 12 square. So L is equal to 5 5s are 25 and 12 12s are 144. L is equal to 144 plus 25 is equal to 169. Slant height is equal to, that is 13 square and L is equal to 13 centimeter. It's slant height of cone. And surface area of toy is curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square plus curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h plus curved surface area of cone pi r l. Pi r is common, 2r plus 2h plus l, that is pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 5, 2 into 5 plus 2 into height of cylinder is 13 plus slant height is 13. 22 upon 7 into 5, 10 plus 26 plus 13, that is 49. 22 upon 7 into 5 into 49, this is cancelled by 7 centimeter square, that is 7 5s are 35 into 22, 70, that is 770 centimeter square. Answer. Given height of cylinder 13 centimeter and radius is 5 centimeter. Height of cone is 12 centimeter. Surface area of toy, that is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Slant height of cone, that is L square equal to R square plus H square, and we find slant height, that is 13 centimeter, and pi r is taking common. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, plus curved surface area of cone is pi r l. Pi r is common, and in fact 2r plus 2h plus l. Radius is 5, 5 to the 10, and height is 13, 13 to the 26, plus slant height is 13. That is 39 plus 10, 49, and pi is 22 upon 7 into 5. 7 7s are 49, 7 5s are 35, 35 into 22, we get 770 centimeter square. Answer. Question 20. The adjoining figure shows a model of a solid consisting of a cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere at one end. If the model is drawn to a scale of 1:200, find the total surface area of the solid in pi meter square and volume of solid in pi liters. Given height, that is 8 centimeter, and radius 3 centimeter. So scale is equal to 1:200. Actual height, that is equal to 200 into 8, that is 8 to the 1600 centimeter, and radius equal to 3 to the 600 centimeter. First part, total surface area of solid, TSA of solid is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder plus area of base, that is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h plus pi r square, which implies pi into r, that is equal to 600, and 2 into r, that is 600 plus 2 into height is 1600 plus 600, that is equal to pi into 600 into 1200 plus 3200 plus 600 centimeter square, which implies pi 600 into 32 plus 3200 plus 1200 plus 600, that is 5000, which implies centimeter square. 6 5s are 30, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 pi centimeter square. In meter, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 5s are 30. 300 pi meter square. Answer 300 pi meter square. Answer. And second part, that is volume of solid. Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder, that is equal to 2/3 pi r cube plus pi r square h, which implies pi 600 into 600 r square common, and in bracket 2/3 into 600 plus h, that is 1600, which implies 6 6 are 36, 0 0 0 0, and this is cancelled by 200. 200 2s are 400. 400 plus 1600, that is equal to 20. 20 pi, which implies 36 2s are 72. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pi. And divided by liters, divided by 1000. liters, which implies 72,000 pi liters. Answer. Given height is 8 centimeter and radius is 3 centimeter, sail is equal to 1:200. So actual height, that is 2 8s are 1600 centimeter and 3 2s are 600 centimeter is radius. Total surface area of solid equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of base. Area of base 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh plus pi r square. Pi and r is taking common in bracket 2 into r plus 2 into h plus r. That is in term of pi 600 pi, 1200 plus 3200 plus 600. 16 2s are 3200, that is equal to 5000. 6 5s are 30. 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 pi centimeter square, and we are changing meter square, divided by 100 into 100. 1 2 3 4 4 zeros is cancelled, and we get 300 pi centimeter square. Answer. And volume of solid is volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder, that is 2/3 pi r cube plus pi r square h. Pi is taking common and pi r square is taking common in bracket 2/3 r plus height, that is 1600. This is cancelled by 3. 200 203 are 600 and 2 2s are 4. 400 plus 1600 is equal to 2000 pi. Then 36 2s are 72 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros, and we are changing liters, divided by 1000. 3 0 is cancelled, and in term of pi liters, we get volume of solid is equal to 7240 pi liters. Answer. Thank you.